evaluate this integral, use Simpsons rule with 7 ordinates to 3dp. So the first thing we need to do is get h. So here h equals then b minus a over n, b minus a 1.6 minus 1 over the value of n, 7 ordinates, so there's 6 intervals. So it's 0.6 then, over 6 is 0.1 as our value of h. Now we do our 7 ordinates. Here they are here. 0 to 6, which is 7 ordinates. We start from 1 and go up to 1.6. And we go up in increments of 0.1 because that's the interval. So put them down then. And now we've got the x ordinates, we can work out the y values. So let's write these down. So let's work out these. So this would be ln sine 1, ln sine 1.1, ln sine 1.2, all the way down to the bottom, which is 1.6. So ln sine 1.5 is the next one here now. And the last one, ln sine 1.6. We need to tap these into a calculator. Let's get our calculator. Now the final answer needs to be to 3dp, so let's work in the interim to 5 decimal places to ensure we have a sufficient degree of accuracy in the method. So ln of sine 1. So ln sine, I'm in radians mode, value 1, close the sine bracket, close the ln bracket, minus 0.17260 minus 0.17260, now 1.1, so toggle back, 0.1, minus 1.115178, 11518 then, 11518, and then the next one, 1.2, minus 0.07038, 07038, 07038, 1.3, minus 0.037122. Was there a 0 there? 03712 then. Yeah. .4 now. Minus 0.01466. 0.1466. 1466. Yeah. And then 1.5. Put 5 in here. And we've got minus back 10 to the minus 3. So it's minus 0.0123, 123, 251, 251, 251, there we go, and now 1.6, let's put that in. Ten to the minus 4, so it's minus 0.0004, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more digit after 4 is a 3, isn't it? So it's a 3. That's it. Okay, then there's our values. Now we need to put them into the formula. So the integral equals then, according to Simpsons rule, h over 3, 0.1 over 3, The first value and the last added together here and here. So that would be this one and this one. So that's minus 0.17260. Add on another minus 0.00043 plus 4 times, so I'll put them here, 4 times like so, of all the odds. There's an odd one, there's an odd one, and there's an odd one. So it's these three numbers added together. They're all minuses. So I'll put them down, and this one, 251, close bracket, plus 2 times, and then the even ones, which are these two here, isn't it? 2 times all the even ones. It was 4 times all the odds, 2 times all the even, that's an even, and that's an even, other than the first and last, which we've already done. And they're catered for over here. So you got these two, minus 0.07038, minus 0.00251. Close that bracket and then close the bracket for the whole expression. So I equals, let's work it out over here, the final answer. Now all these are minuses, see them? They're all minuses, minus and minus. So I can actually just, since the answer is just going to be negative, I can just forget about all the minuses and just add the positives. Because this number will be negative, this number will be negative. So I'm going to drop all the minuses and put a minus here and just work it out on the calculator. So it's 0.1 over 3, not 30. 0.1 divided by 3 times bracket. Now 0.17260 plus 0.00043 plus 4 times bracket 11518, 0.11518 plus 03712, 0.03712 plus 0.00251, close the bracket, plus 2 times, open bracket, these two numbers now, 0.07038 plus 0.00251, close that bracket, and then close the final bracket, and now press equals. 0.03 to 3dp is 0.031, isn't it? 0.031. The minus is already there, so it's 0.031. There we go. And that was to 3 decimal places.